Hi friends, this side Swapnil. I'm the co-founder at FineShift. DevOps has witnessed a tremendous growth curve in the last decade. Experts believe that the widespread adoption of cloud technology, continuous need for the operational and the developers team to collaborate has given rise to DevOps adoption. Now, the reason DevOps is revolutionizing each and every sector are huge. However, DevOps has touched base to each and every industry by now. It has become a mainstream now. And banking sector is no exception for that. The banking industry has always been reluctant to change their legacy systems and to modernize their applications, modernize their infrastructure. The reason very simple, security. However, to maintain the business competitiveness, the forward-looking institutions are now fastly adopting to the new DevOps technologies and taking the advantage of digital transformation as well. Now, let us take an example of the British multinational financial service, Barclays. Barclays implemented DevOps at around 2015. Now, they adopted the DevOps to increase their enterprise-wide agility around their team. The result? Magnificent and mind-blowing. The productivity, the build cycle, the cost reduction around the operational, jargons has reduced drastically. In the same year, South Africa-based international financial service bank, the Standard Bank, adopted DevOps and started their DevOps journey. While doing so, they were actually delivering magnificent digital solutions at the fast-paced rate to their consumers. And today, this financial giant, the Standard Bank, has over 200 teams implementing DevOps across a variety of geographical locations, and the result has been magnificent as well in here, wherein they are giving enriched user experience to their customers. Now you all know that how this financial institutions, the banking sector is adopting DevOps at fast pace. For what? To remain in the competition, to enrich the user experience, and to revolutionize their customer experience. Now again, if you're struggling to really fast pace your DevOps adoption, we at FineShift are here to help you out.